All right. So today we're going to talk about what these smart tools are and how you can use them inside your Agentic Workers templates. This is what you already have access to right now, but if you want to, you can integrate tools like Google Docs, Reddit, and Perplexity, and we're going to be adding a lot more very soon. I'm just going to walk you through how to get the most out of what's already available. So what I'm going to do here is paste in a prompt. It's the same one from the 90-day real estate example, but I just want to show you what you can actually do with the smart tools. Let's say that once this first prompt runs, you want to automatically create a Google Doc. You do your usual tilde, which tells the system, "Hey, I'm starting a new prompt now." So after the first one finishes, you move on to the next. Then all you have to do is hit Add. Once you press Add, you'll get a menu. That menu lets you select from different tools you've connected. Just make sure your integration is set up before you try to use it in a prompt. In this case, I'm just going to create a Google Doc, and that's it. After the prompt runs, we'll have the output and a Google Doc containing the market research. Next up, I'm going to start this workflow in agent mode. Quick note, you can only run smart tools in agent mode. I'm setting the location to Miami, and then I'll hit Start Workflow. Now I'm going to grab a cup of coffee and let this do its thing. I'll be back in about 30 seconds. All right, we're back. As you can see, it did everything a normal prompt would do. It just also ran the tool behind the scenes. And all of the open-ended answers? They're grounded in actual data, no hallucinations. You can click any of the links and they'll take you to fact-checked real sources. It's also timely. This data is from March 20th, which is just over 3 weeks from today. So now you've got real, accurate data, plus all the benefits of what OpenAI brings to the table. And you also get to see what's happening under the hood with the tool calls. If you're curious, cool. If not, no problem. The system returned a link, so let's go ahead and click that. Boom, there it is. A Google Doc with all the info, ready for whatever you want to do next. And if there's anything else you want to integrate, just let us know. Book a call with us. We'll either help you get set up or just talk through whatever ideas or issues you're running into. We're happy to help. All right, have fun.